Future trends in information technology. Technology is always changing, and we can expect all sorts of new initiatives to take place in the next 5 years that will change how we live. We look across all the top technology publications, and below are some of the most interesting top technology trends we see coming in the next several years. Artificial intelligence, metaverse, virtual reality and augmented reality, robotic process automation or RPA, cloud computing, edge computing, quantum computing, blockchain, Internet of Things, 5G, 3D printing. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines that can think like humans. It can do things that are considered smart. AI technology can process large amounts of data in ways unlike humans. The goal for AI is to be able to do things such as recognize patterns, make decisions, and judge like humans. A growing worry of AI replacing human jobs will increase in the next decade. Human beings will need to resort to what we do best with emotions and creativity. This will be the decade of robot and human interaction and collaboration. Both a decade of fear and promise for the human generation. Metaverse. The metaverse is a network of shared, immersive virtual worlds where people can connect with friends, create and play games, work and shop. You can think of the metaverse as a cyberspace or an evolved three-dimensional internet where logging in isn't necessary. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality is a computer-generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be real, making the user feel they are immersed in their surroundings. This environment is perceived through a device known as a virtual reality headset or helmet. It is a simulated three-dimensional environment that lets users explore and interact with a virtual surrounding in a way that approximates reality as it's perceived through the user's senses. Augmented reality is an interactive experience that enhances the real world with computer-generated perceptual information. Using software apps and hardware such as AR glasses, augmented reality overlays digital content into real-life environments and objects. Augmented reality and virtual reality are two sides of the metaverse. Augmented reality can increase advertising space in the real world with new special glasses. Virtual reality within itself create a new whole digital area for advertising. The technology still has some catching up to do until it could be considered one of the rapidly emerging technologies. Robotic process automation or RPA. Robotic process automation is a software technology that makes it easy to build, deploy, and manage software robots that emulate humans' actions, interacting with digital systems and software. It is another emerging top technology trend that will automate many jobs. The use of software to automate routine business processes, including processing technologies, interpreting application, manipulating data, and even answering texts and emails. RPA technology will essentially automate common tasks that people once did by hand. Cloud computing. These are used by businesses and individuals such as streaming platforms for audio or video, where the actual media files are stored remotely. Another would be data storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. This is a global network of servers, each with a unique function. The cloud is not a physical entity, but instead is a vast network of remote servers around the globe which are hooked together and meant to operate as a single ecosystem. Edge computing. Edge computing is an emerging computing paradigm which refers to a range of networks and devices at or near the user. Edge is about processing data closer to where it is being generated, enabling processing at greater speeds and volumes, leading to greater action-led results in real time. This refers to where computing and storage resources are located. Edge computing offers local edge data centers for data storage and processing. Businesses can depend on reliable connectivity for their IoT applications even when cloud services are affected. Edge computing allows IoT applications to use less bandwidth and operate normally under conditions of limited connectivity. Quantum computing. It is a multidisciplinary field comprising aspects of computer science, physics, and mathematics that utilizes quantum mechanics to solve complex problems faster than on a classical computer. The field of quantum computing includes hardware research and application development. Quantum computers can create better models for how atoms interact with one another, leading to a superior and more precise understanding of molecular structure. This may directly impact drug and chemical research and impact the way new products and medicines are developed. Blockchain. Blockchain technology is an advanced database mechanism that allows transparent information sharing within a business network. A blockchain database stores data in blocks that are linked together in a chain. It is an immutable digital ledger that enables secure transactions across a peer-to-peer network. It records, stores, and verifies data using decentralized techniques to eliminate the need for third parties like banks or governments. Every transaction is recorded, then stored in a block on a blockchain. Internet of Things. It describes the network of physical objects or things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. This means everyday devices like toothbrushes, vacuums, cars, and machines that can use sensors to collect data and respond intelligently to users. The Internet of Things integrates everyday things with the internet. Computer engineers have been adding sensors and processors to everyday objects since the 90s. IoT works like this. Devices have hardware like sensors that collect data, and the data collected by the sensors is then shared via the cloud and integrated with software. 5G. 5G is the fifth generation of wireless cellular technology, offering higher upload and download speeds, more consistent connections, and improved capacity than previous networks. Simply put, 5G stands for the fifth generation, and we could stop there. However, it's interesting to note that there are many technologies that have been gone through 4 generations, such as industry going through mechanization, steam power, electricity, and electronics to reach Industry 4.0. How fast can 5G be? 5G download speeds are a significant improvement over previous generations. For example, with Verizon 5G ultra-wideband, you can download a movie in minutes and a song in seconds. You can get audio and video in HD. You can experience console-quality gaming on the go. You can stream, share, post, and work in public settings without being slowed down by everyone around you when connected. 3D printing. 3D printing uses computer-aided design to create three-dimensional objects through a layering method, sometimes referred to as additive manufacturing. 3D printing involves layering materials like plastics, composites, or biomaterials to create objects that range in shape, size, rigidity, and color. 3D printing offers a quick and cost-effective approach to designing and producing parts. Since the need for tooling is eliminated, product teams can significantly accelerate product development cycles. The ability to produce designs quickly gives designers greater flexibility when testing multiple design options.